Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, we'll discuss some common issues encountered during the setup process. We'll also discuss solutions to these issues. Many users encounter some common issues during the setup process, which can prevent them from completing the setup process. Today, we'll address those issues. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. So watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. The first and the most common issue is weak placement. Many users place the extender in the dead zone where there is almost no Wi-Fi signal. In this case, the extender cannot pick up a strong enough connection to rebroadcast. And its simple solution is always place the extender midway between your router and the weak area. Make sure the extender still receives at least 2 to 3 signal bars from the router. Second issue is WPS setup fails. Pressing the WPS buttons incorrectly or waiting too long often causes the extender not to connect. And this problem's solution is press the router's WPS button first, then within 2 minutes, press the extender's WPS button. If it still fails, use the TP-Link Tether app or browser setup method. The third problem is different Wi-Fi names, SSID, confusion. Using a different Wi-Fi name for the extender makes switching between networks confusing. Devices may stay connected to the weaker router signal. And the solution is enable SSID cloning so the extender copies the router's name. This way, your devices switch seamlessly. Only use a different name if you want to connect manually. The fourth one is outdated firmware. Many people skip firmware updates, which can cause unstable connections and speed drops. And the simple and easy solution is, after setup, always check the TP-Link website or Tether app for the latest firmware update and install it. The next one is signal interference. Placing the extender near microwaves, thick walls, cordless phones, or metal objects weakens the signal. And the solution is place the extender in an open area, preferably elevated, and away from electronics that cause interference. The sixth problem is unsaved settings. Some users close the browser or app without saving changes, so the extender reverts to default settings. And its solution is always hit save/apply before closing setup. Wait until the extender reboots properly. And the last one is wrong reset or power issue. Using a faulty socket or not resetting correctly can prevent setup. And the solution is very simple. Plug the extender into a stable power outlet. If resetting, hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds until the LED blinks. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.